Hello viewers. I'm Thunderbolt. And you're just in time, TSM fans. Today is Halloween. I just can't wait to steal all the candy from T50's house, because he is such a mean siren.
I'm sorry I have to say this, but it is against the law to steal candy from one's house. Today is Halloween. And hey, that means we gotta go trick-or-treating.
Just don't give up on what I was thinking. That might be very interesting. Only Mr. Toilet made it up for you. Okay. Enough of this, guys. I don't want anyone calling me a toilet. Who do you think you are? T50's brothers? Take this, you crazy rascal. Hey wait. It's Lerner.
OMG, you could hear us?
Yeah. Now stop calling me a toilet. Okay. Sorry. Let's get our candy collectors and head out. What do you say, T-Bolt? Let's go.
Oh no. It looks like there's an intruder coming. Let's hide. What are we gonna do? I don't know. I hope it's not a zombie. What if it's a killer bat? I'm too scared to talk. Oh no, he's coming.
Fuck. I got all your candy.
Oh no. Not the candy.
Hey. Give back the candy, you big square horn trumpet.
No. It's P50 that's getting his candy stolen.
Hey. I am the square horn trumpet. I am Thunderbolt, the tornado siren. Give me back that candy. Or I'll call the cops on you. Fuck. If you do that, they will likely recognize your voice and find out you escaped prison again. Yes. Now I've got lots of candy.
I can't wait. There's so much candy to get from that door. Trick or treat. Thanks for the candy. I've never heard of a cyclone bar before.
IDK, I'm just really tired of 1003 chasing me all the time. When will she leave me alone? I just can't wait. Modulator, do I have any last words?
No. You have so much to live for.
Hi, a learner here. And you may be wondering why I am all grumpy like this. That's because P50, the giant gray bucket, keeps calling me a toilet. Also, he tried to steal the Eclipse pizza while I was at ATI's appetizers. God, P50 is a jerk. Anyways, this is a learner signing off.
Hey. There's more candy over there. Let's go.
Hey, you must be that toilet. You're not P50. So go away. Well, that's all the candy. Now it's time to take my costume off. Well, that was fun.